Okay, good evening, everyone. Good afternoon, good morning, whichever country you are connecting from. You're welcome to this YouTube live we're currently having. As said earlier, we're supposed to have the YouTube live yesterday, but many of you know that I actually went to Benin, University of Benin, to have an event, okay, which turned out so well, and I got back at night. Okay, so we had to shift on the YouTube live today. So today's YouTube live is the first for the year 2021. So the beginning of the year um has really been exercising, been busy, doing a lot of things to ensure that we bring back wonderful opportunities for everyone who are looking for ways to um, increase their sources of income. All right, so one of which we just released, getting a $1,000 instant funded account for $39. So I've seen many of you messages. You're so grateful. You're very happy for the opportunity presented. And I saw some persons also said that I really go out to look for something that will benefit a lot of people. So you don't actually have an excuse to actually have an excuse not to be financially free in this time. All right. So FX Media, like I said to you guys, I work tirelessly to ensure I bring opportunities that will make FX Media to benefit from and you know be financially free through forex trading. All right. So we all know that in the period that we are, capital is no longer a problem. So the big question is, can you trade? Do you have what it takes? Do you have the skill? So that is what is important right now in trading. Many of you are even enjoying this period because during our days, capital was really a challenge, a huge challenge. So now you have capital, so you don't have any excuse not to make money from the forex market. So if you are not making money, maybe you are blowing your prop accounts, it shows that you still need more knowledge, the right knowledge. And FX Media is a good place for you to gain such forex knowledge that's going to help you get better. We even have a group where we drop signals for those who purchase a funded account using our promo link, our promo code, and as well using our link, whichever one. Either you use a promo code when you're registering your new 10 trade account, or you use our link directly to register. And so that will give you an automatic access to being part of the funded traders group. All right, so we created a community in which, if you go to Telegram, you can actually search FX Media and you will see the community. The community is already having over 600. We're supposed to have like 3,000 people, but I just created it late. Based on our back end, FX Media we have over 3,000, close to getting to 4,000 community. I just created a free community so everyone can actually join, whether you are FX Media or not. Feel free to join. Go to Telegram and search it, whether you are registered with FX Media or not. Search it and join. Yeah, I posted the link before, but you have an opportunity to be part of the Telegram. Okay, so there are activities that goes on there, but it's not as much as those who are in the funded traders group. The funded traders group, we know that they get more benefits. We help people to pass their prop account. Shadow trader say, boss, your face don't fresh. Now God, let me just God share money. Owó koko. If money, if they say money na fine boy, isn't it? Money na what? Fine boy. So that's why I'm pushing a lot of you guys. So you too can be fresh. There is no ugly guy, there's no ugly girl if you have money. Trust me. There's no ugly guy, there's no ugly girl if you have money. So once you have the money, you put yourself together and you'll be fresh and you'll be doing so well. Okay, so like I said earlier, you have an opportunity to get better at trading and make money from trading as well. Okay, so you don't have to throw away the opportunities that you have. So in case you don't know, FX Media is actually an ambassador to 10 Trade Broker, a certified and a verified broker that is actually global. So many of you know that got signed with a 42 million naira and amazing opportunities. Okay, and so far so good. We've given about 7 prop accounts. FS Media in partnership with Tentrade, we've given out 7 prop accounts for free last week, in which we dispatch the accounts today, and many of them has received theirs. Then while I was in Uniben, actually gave 2 accounts, while some FS gave 1 account, 1,000 instant funded accounts. All right. So in case you are planning to get a $3,000 evaluation account, you can as well just go straight to your $1,000 account. So you don't have to try to pass challenge. You just trade real, straight up. So those of you that doesn't really understand, the 1,000 instant funded accounts, I've explained all the 2 types of account that we have: the evaluation account and as well the instant funded account. Evaluation account has to do with one phase. The one phase means one test. The second one has to do with direct trading. So you are just trading straight. So whatever profit that you make, you can make your withdrawals. All right. So for every time that you make 10% on your prop account, that is for your instant funded account, every time you make 10%, you can always withdraw. But if you make less than 10%, it's just once a month. So every time you make 10%, you can always withdraw. So if you make 10% in 1 week, you can withdraw. If you make 10% in 2 weeks, you can withdraw, and so on. So that's how it actually works. You can even make more than 10% and withdraw. So, but you get 70%, while Tentrade gets 30%. MC said, can't find us on Telegram. That's weird. Let me check it well. Search FX Media Trading Community. You are going to see the FX Media Trading Community. You're going to see there. I'm typing it right away so everybody can see that trading community. This year, we are empowering a whole lot of people across the world. So if you want to be part of it, you follow every instructions that we give. Last year, we were on a program that says road to $10,000. Okay, many people actually hit 5K, 3K, 2K. Just a couple of persons that hit 10K and some above that. So this year, we're doing prop accounts. Crazy. We started it prop account late last year, and we're going deeper into this. So this year, everyone that's connected to FS Media, directly or indirectly, I want you to spam me with your testimonies. You know what it means to spam? Spam me with your testimonies when you start making profits. Whether you send it on Instagram or Facebook or WhatsApp, just spam me. My point is that you owe me a testimony. You owe me your profitable withdrawals. I don't mean you give me your profitable withdrawals. No, I mean you owe me that testimony to celebrate. All right, so that I can, be able to go further and bring more opportunities for everybody to get better. So don't be left behind. We understand that many are called, few are chosen. Except you want to be part of the many are called and not be few are chosen. So the few that are being chosen right now is in your capacity, is in your hands. Okay. So, all right, 1 minute, guys. I just got a message from one of the winners. He said, thank you so much. I have seen it in my account. All right, so that's beautiful. I don't know if you guys can see that. It's so bright. I'm trying to see if you guys can see that. See, Promise. His name is Promise. Got his account as well. So yeah, it is real. So if you're not using Tentrade, you're on your own. You're on, so you have to use Tentrade. Remember, if you're looking for a link to register, you find it in our YouTube channel. Just check any of the videos. You will see FS Media link right there and promo code. Okay. Now say, sir, what is the limit loss for this funds account? Now, I guess we are new. Now, I have made I've made a video on explaining how the funded program works. Okay, I've explained it very well. Go and watch that video that says how to pass your evaluation account, your prop account. I made that video. I even showed you how you can pass it and show you how to understand. When you understand how to pass your account, that is when you are going to make profits. So I made the video. Check our YouTube channel right now. It's right there, the video. So after the live, you can check it out. If you haven't, it's a 28-minute video. I think 29-minute video. I explained everything right there for everything that you need to know about evaluation and instant funded. Also note that there is something we call consistency rule. What do I mean by consistency rule? It's part of your trading in trading your 10 trade accounts. Consistency rule. It has to do with you not gambling. Let me just give you an example. So if you get a 10 trade account, whether instant funded or evaluation account, if you are using a 0.1 to 0.5, it is that range that you can actually use to trade all through the account, 0.1 to like 0.5. Remember, I'm giving an example. So there should be a range. There shouldn't be something that is higher than each other. You see some traders, they are trading with 0.02. And all of a sudden, maybe one small demon just push their brain. They say, okay, the demon say, oh yeah, knock am better lots, knock am 2 lots or 3 lots. The moment you knock it 2 lots or 3 lots, maybe profit, it goes for you or it doesn't go for you. You violated a rule. Okay, so there should be a range of lot size that you use, applying proper risk management on your trade. So that is your consistency rule. Okay, so ensure that you all actually follow this and don't gamble. To make that the case laughing. Yes, now you see some, they want knock and better lot on top $3,000 account that you know that has daily drawdown and maximum drawdown. They use 0.05. They won't call knock and 2 standard lots or 3 standard lots. No drawing like that. So follow the consistency rule and you make your withdrawal. So in this month of March, what I want you guys to do, if you're not trading proper account, trade ASAP. And this month I want to see a lot of withdrawals from your proper accounts. And don't forget to send it to me. If I didn't see the message, send it to me again. Okay, and you understand I have a lot of messages coming in. We try as much as possible to attend to everybody. Okay, so that is what I want you guys to do for me this month. There should be a withdrawal, and as well, you buy accounts, you trade well and withdraw. If you blow your account before you buy another account, ensure that you already know how much. You need to know why you lost that account so that you don't repeat the same mistake. The goal is not for you to be buying account up and down. The goal is for you to be making profitable withdrawals. Okay, that is the goal. But if you blow accounts, if you blow your proper account before you buy another one, you find out why you lost that account. Okay. Then what else again? So remember, I told you guys last year that the idea for your prop firm is to withdraw, to make profitable withdrawals and fund your real accounts for you to trade. Don't forget that. Don't store money in your prop accounts. Okay, when you make profit, always withdraw to fund your 10 trade real accounts. Under 10 trade, we have pro account, we have the ECN account, we have the standard account. Okay, so you can use your standard accounts or ECN accounts to trade. That's for your real accounts. So as a trader, you should have like 2 or 3 accounts. Listen attentively, because I'm already teaching. I'm teaching the market review. YouTube, this is a YouTube live. We're good. So you understand that the last part of the YouTube live is revealing the market. So I am talking to you so that you can get benefit. I know you're laughing, you're enjoying the class, but as well, you need to get value from what I am teaching you tonight. Okay, so as a trader, you shouldn't have just one account. You should have an account, a proper account, as well as your normal real account under 10 trade, and as well as maybe your larger accounts. How do I mean? You can have one evaluation account, one instant funded account, one small life account, and one big life account. So that's like 4. It depends on you, on your capacity. I'm not saying that if it's you that is struggling to see $200, You now want to have 4 accounts. You go wound yourself. No. Talking about you, everybody has their capacity. They know their capacity. Okay. So you actually trade according to your capacity. But as a trader, you shouldn't be trading only one account. Okay. You should have small accounts that maybe used to run day-to-day activity or weekly miscellaneous. Maybe you just want to withdraw to buy, maybe subscribe for DSTV, or maybe you just want to buy AC, or TV or something, maybe a new phone. Then you have a large account that you need to stock money right there. Okay, so you don't just withdraw and eat. You're an investor. Always remember that you are an what? Investor. So as you make profits, you reinvest in your life account to trade, grow your life account from your proper account. But if you are a trader that choose to trade only life account, fine. If 10 Trade is a 2-in-1 broker that offers brokerage and as well offers prop account. So 10 Trade is not just a prop account, it offers brokerage account. So you have only one broker. I don't need to be jumping up and down. That's why I'm in one place, and by the grace of God, I was made an ambassador of 10 Trade. Okay, so because what are you looking for in other brokers that 10 Trade doesn't have? They have everything, only one. We've been doing interstate. Very soon we'll get to one of you guys' states. We've done Lagos. I think we've done one other state. Then the next one I posted that yesterday. I said Abuja coming soon. Okay, so if you are connecting from Abuja, you can indicate right here. Let me see you. 10 Trade is coming with a live program in Abuja, and ensure that you make it a day. So I myself, I took 10 Trade to Benin over the weekend. So I get to meet Benin people, Uniben as well. So it was a fantastic experience, and about $10,600 was given at that event. Very, very crazy. Very crazy. So money day trading. Now we'll give up fuck up. So you gotta wake up. If you are new right here and maybe the English you are speaking is big, you don't even understand what you are even saying. What you just need to do is to send FS Media a message and be part of the academy. Learn rightly. Pay for mentorship. Okay. Pay for mentorship. It's very important. Don't be looking for free things up and down. Gone are the days when I used to give free things. I told you guys that free things may not hold again. Okay, so pay for mentorship and be part of FS Media. It doesn't cost much to be part of FS Media. No matter the amount that is being paid, you always recover the money back. It's Forex. Forex is #1 market in the world. Okay, #1 market in the world. So if you are charged $1,000 and you're learning from the right place, once you start, you know the skill of trading. What happens? You'll be making money. You make back that $1,000. How much did I use to learn Forex? Maybe some of you don't know this story. I sold my keyboard to learn Forex. If you know that story, indicate in the chat section. I sold my keyboard to learn Forex. Okay. Come here. I want to take a picture. All right. So I just want to quickly take a picture. All right. Please ask how much is the FS Media Mentorship. You can send us a message to be part of it. Learn first. Learn rightly first before any other thing. Some people just feel like they can just learn only from YouTube. Fine. FS Media has a YouTube channel, yes, but that's not the only knowledge you need. I give out free knowledge. Many of you know that FS Media and free things are like this. Free things are like this are very, very close. So they give out free things on a steady. So but I'm telling you how to go about it. In as much you are connected to the life, you are enjoying free benefits as well. When they ask you to pay for something, you as well pay. Okay, so the way to go now, if you don't have a Forex knowledge, pay for mentorship. Okay, so you can learn for yourself. Forex is not catering and services that you just will read one PDF. And so I've explained these things before. I've explained this before. Once you be part of FS Media Mentorship, you are under the mentorship for life. I can see some ancient of these people that are here that have known FX Media for like 2 years plus. They are here, and guess what? They are Forex millionaires, but they are still here. Why are they here? They understand the benefit of FX Media mentorship. So no money, no the rich person, you understand. In as much as Forex millionaires, everybody still needs more money, isn't it? You need more money. You have many things to accomplish, okay? So they're still here, they know pride. They pay their tithes and they're still paying their tithe. Those ones who are grateful, they send their seeds. Not like it's a must for them to do that. I'm making my own money. It's not a must. But those ones who actually appreciate what FS Media is doing for them or has done for them always come back to send a token or send a gift or something. But I'm not saying it's a must. So a heart that understands gratitude, that understands the meaning of, do you know what it means for somebody to show you how to make money? You know, so many people they hide updates. Why is it that we have small circle of people who are wealthy, and we have large number of people who are poor? Why is it like that? Have you thought about it? It's because they know they share updates. They know they share updates. Now it's cause and be that. They know they share updates. Okay, so now I'm sharing updates with you. So if you remain broke, voila for you. So this is this March is the third quarter. Is it third quarter? No, third month for the first quarter. Yeah, third month for the first quarter. So we're wrapping up the first quarter into the second quarter, and the second quarter begins in April. Now, if I ask some persons in this third quarter, in this third month of the first quarter, how much have you made? Are you proud of your account balance? Some of you may still be reading -0. Some of you can be reading millions, can be reading thousands, can even be reading thousands in dollars, different categories. But my point is, if you're in that category of 0, that's very bad. You need to start working on it, start doing the right thing to move further. Okay, you need to start moving further. So we are diving into the second quarter of the year. You cannot just allow 2024 to just pass. You can see that things are getting harder and harder all over the world. If you're in Nigeria, you know how far. If you're in other African countries, maybe Ghana or Sierra Leone, you're connected, you know how far. Is anything that goes up does not go down. You understand that? So, but what is important is that you find a way to live above the system of this world. And FS Media has given you the opportunity to feed and live above the system of this world. What do I mean? Whatsoever increment that they have in the day-to-day life activities, you always afford it. Whether petrol is 5,000 per dollars, 5,000 per liter, you will still buy it. That is the level that we all are talking about. Not like when petrol is increased, you are grumbling. Oh, things too cost. Any small thing, person match you go won't carry all your aggression, won't kill that person, they fight and those ordinary match where you no say match you, they tell you sorry. Some persons don't think enter express motor jam them. No, you shouldn't be in that category. There are people who are still chopping this life. A female trader that I know, in which we grew up together, she actually bought a car worth 180 million. Some of you actually, you will know that she's a Forex trader. Maybe some of you think that she does Olosho work or she's an Ashao, but trust me, that's a poor mentality. This is someone that I know is not Olosho, it is pure Forex trading. Inside this hard economy, she's buying a car worth 180 million. One of my guy as well bought a house worth 50 million. Sorry, over 100 million. He bought a house inside this hard economy. So you don't need to be on the category of people that says the economy is hard. There are people who are chopping this life, okay? So you need to go into go into the part where you're actually chopping this life. Mingle with people who are chopping this life. The good people, not the bad people. I've said something to you guys before that if you're a Christian or you're a Muslim and you're going to a church or a gathering where you find out that you just have only the pastor right there is driving car and the rest are using keke napep and okada to attend service, you need to run from that church or run from that mosque because it does not show progress. You need to run for your life. Yes, you need to run because it shows no progress. Now, I am talking about good progress. When you go to a place where you see the pastor is driving car and as well, you have members who are driving car as well, you need to do what? That's the right place for you to be, as long as there is God. Note, I said as long as there is God, because you can find yourself in some gatherings that are not of God. Maybe it's of the devil. I'm talking about God gathering. It shows progress. You can't preach the gospel and be broke. It's not possible. It's just amazing that we have people who are staying in the body of Christ, but we're not yet to move into that. But my point is that whatever level or category that you are, you need to be in the place where even if they are talking about the hardship of the economy, it is entering one ear and coming out from the other ear, even though the two ears are not connected. One guy said he likes my vibe. He likes the man's vibe. Thank you so much. All right. So even the 2 ears are not connected, it doesn't mean it will come outside and pass. So you live above the system of this world, isn't it? Inside the hard economy, I set up my second office. Do you know how many millions I spent? Inside this hard economy, I relocated. Inside this hard economy, I'm not going to tell you some few things that I did. Don't worry. You don't need all the information. So I'm just giving you some information that you need to. But one thing that you just need to know is that there's a whole lot of money in Forex trading. And what you need to do is to key into the right path, being an umbrella like FX Media. So if you are just joining, I said that we actually created a community for everybody on Telegram where you can join. We share some ideas right there, but that is not, the place where we share ideas is actually different from the funded traders group, where we give more of trades and setup the community so that you don't miss any opportunities like the 1K account, or maybe you are doing something remarkable. You get an information as well, but it's different. So while you're in the community, maybe you are not in the funded traders group, work towards being in funded traders group and don't waste time. I remember saying last year, Samuel Cole should be on this call. He should testify to what I'm saying right now. Like, should confirm to what I'm about to say right now. What is that thing I'm about to say right now? Which is, last year, I posted on my status that the cost for 10 trade accounts may increase. If it doesn't increase, maybe it is a dollar that is going to increase. Naira is going to rise up to 1.5. And when it increases, the $29 will no longer be $29. What do I mean? That time you can use 29K to buy a $3,000 account, isn't it? Or 30,000 Naira to buy a $3,000 account. Now, you can't use a 30K to buy a $29 account. So you should be using about maybe 40 something, maybe 50 something K to buy a $29 account. Is that not crazy? Who is losing? It's the person who is wasting. There is no room for procrastination, okay? No room. Whatever thing that you want to do with money, do it ASAP, because things are getting higher and higher. It is not going down. You always go up. So you can see, the more you wait, you say I'm saving up till July, you will save and save, and you continue. You find yourself that you are still saving and saving and saving, yet you've not reached there. If you are waiting for Naira to fall to 500 per dollars, well, it is by the grace of God that will be possible. I'm not saying that I don't want it to happen, but if it happens, good luck. If it doesn't happen, we still move on. But my point is, you should only look at the direction that, okay, Naira is going to fall to 500. No, you should look up to the future that whatsoever Naira is to dollar, you are going to live above the system of this world. If you are meant to buy a car, you buy a car. Remember, I said that you can't save to buy your dream car. No, the money you used to buy your dream car is block money. I've said it before, it's block money. Block. What do I mean by block? Let's just say you want to buy a 15 million naira car or 20 million naira car. You can't be saving 100,000 naira, or maybe you are earning 500K a month and you want to buy 15 million naira car. Even if you are earning 1 million naira a month, you want to buy a 15, you can't save, because by the time, how much you want to save after living life, sending money to your village people or your parents or your siblings, how much you want to save and get 15 million? Before you even save up to 15 million, that car has appreciated in value. That's gotten to 30 million or even 35 to 40. So it's block money. And what do I mean? Like when you just hit trade like this, you make $3,000, boom, in 1 month. $3,000, like I think 4 to 5 million. Or you make like $10,000, boom, or $1,000. Those block money, or even $500. Those are block. I know that you have diverse categories of persons connected to this class, fine, but I don't need you to hang yourself. No, you grow in trading, whatever category that you are. Just look at the greater picture, grow into that. You can be making your first $10 into your 20 to your 30. Keep growing your income, keep growing your target profit. Whether it is $100 that is your first, you keep increasing it until you get to that block money. When you start getting block, you can start looking for ways to buy your car. You go to knock on better lots with your better knowledge, no go knack am better lot with empty skull. If not, you go your village, maybe na God is good motto you go follow, or you go follow GUO or follow Yare, maybe you are going to Benin City. Okay, so do what is right, and then don't jump. If you jump, you will fall. The gravity is going to push you down. What you need to do is to run, sorry, to walk at your own pace. But in this time where you are, you gotta run. Tinubu said hit the ground and run. Abi, I had the take talk. So you hit the ground and be running. You run and you run well. And as you are running, don't ensure that you kick stone. You run and you look very well and get money for yourself, and pursue skill that is very important. If you're feeling like you're too busy to learn Forex or to trade the financial market, 24 hours is actually enough for everybody. Yes, it's actually enough for everybody. So it is you that have to plan your life. If you are sleeping 7 hours, sir, if you are sleeping 7 hours, you need to sacrifice some level of hours so that you can invest in what you are pursuing for the greater good. Sacrifices must be made according to Kanayo. You gotta do sacrifice. You have to sacrifice something. Either it is your time you're sacrificing, or something, your money you're sacrificing, or you want to sell your keyboard to buy a laptop, or you want to sell your laptop to learn Forex, or you want to sell your phone to learn Forex. Okay, not sell your phone to learn Forex, because if you sell your phone to learn Forex, what you want to use to learn to trade the market? If you get system, fine. But one guy he came to me, he said, sir, I don't have money, but I want to sell my iPhone. I said, wait, you want to sell iPhone? Do you have another phone? He said, no. I said, wait till you want to use trade the financial market. He started to look me. I said, guy, you want to sell your phone to do it? I want to take trade. All right, so I believe you've been motivated. You've gotten the pep talk that is necessary. You know, this is the first YouTube live that we're having for this year, 2024, and we're going to have amazing ones subsequently. And I'm sure that we empower a lot of people, have more testimonies this year. Okay, so those who are wise are going to key into the opportunities that FS Media is presenting to them. So if you are here and you have not subscribed to our YouTube channel, click the subscription button. And if you're a fan, if you truly love FS Media, trust me, one way or the other, blessing will touch you, grace will touch you. I tell you, grace. If you understand FS Media, you should know that FS Media is a spirit man. Yes, those of you that are close to me one way or the other knows I'm a spirit man. So if those who are wise are the ones that actually tap for my grace. Look at the giveaway that was done in Unibank. The people that won are bona fide followers of FS Media. They are fans. Like, it's not like they are beefing or like they don't know FS Media anywhere. They are fans, so grace reached them. Okay, and even the giveaway that we did in Lagos last week, 7, those people are fantastic people as well. When I went through the chat of the people that are chatting me up that won the guys, like, we've even had conversations before, and looking at the conversation, it was excellent because my phone I use iCloud, so I don't clear any chat. So if you've been a very rubbish person, maybe you've insulted me before, those that are mad people, and I block you. Maybe you can't even send me a message. After, when I tell you, or you send me a message to get your account, you send me say, I not see, because you are very you don't have sense. I've already blocked you. So those people that want going through the chat on my phone or other phones that we have, it's very, very amazing. They are fantastic people. I say, no wonder grace touch you. We speak at a random and they won. Okay, so you have to, I'm just telling you the right way to go. If you carry FS Media wholeheartedly in your heart, one way or the other, the grace will touch you. It's not about giveaway. It's the most common grace is that instead of you spending 1 year in making profitable withdrawals, because of the grace in FS Media, you can just use 2 months or 3 months or 4 months to start making money from the financial market. Look at massive testimony. This year, we've had people that bought fridge, we've had people that bought cars, bought land, even one that is planning to buy house, one who have bought his favorite phone, laptop. Is marvelous testimonies. Those who are passing evaluation accounts, a lot of amazing things that has been going on, testimonies here and there, and they don't have 2 heads. Me that I'm connected right here, you can't actually see 2 heads. If you see 2 heads right now, many of you will die and will disappear. Okay, but no 2 heads. So what am I trying to say? It is the same head that God has given everybody that we are using to operate and make money and make a living for ourselves. Okay, if you are born poor, it is not your fault. But if you die poor, it is your fault. You guys understand this, right? So if you no go die poor, like I always say, we have different categories of persons in this place. people who are rich that want more money. Trust me, there are people that are here. I'm already saying their names. They're amazing people. You know, they just the catch cruise for here. People that I know right here. One is driving. I'm not going to mention their name. One is driving a Lexus. He's driving Lexus ES350. Yes, right here. One other one is driving a Toyota Camry 2012. Right here. They are here. What the one I bought a fridge that said they bought a fridge is right here, but the one that withdrew $1,000 is right. I can see them. They are here participating. So, but I'm not going to call their name, okay? So if you're thinking that okay, we are just joking right here, story for you, you're on your own, okay? All right. So I think that we are done with this segment of the YouTube live, and I believe I've given you guys value and giving you the motivation that you need. Maybe you've been weak in this year 2024. I believe I've stirred up your spirit and woken you up. That goal that you have written in your book, you need to open up that book right now and go through those goals that you have written down. I know many of you have cried in 31st night. This year is my year of joy. This year is my year of Benz. This year is my year of Rolls Royce. This year I shall buy Lagos. You have prayed. You have prayed. Then inside 2024, what happened? You are not doing anything. You are only viewing status, laughing, viewing status, watching memes, playing with your life, toasting babe up and down. It shouldn't be so. Those things you've written down, if you don't put in the necessary actions towards that goal, there's no way you're going to achieve those goals. And then you now find yourself at the end of the year 2024, you are wondering like, what thing I use this year do? It's because you have repeated the same thing that you normally do. So you got to make a difference. You got to be mad. You got to make a difference. MAD, make a difference this year and push forward. Okay? All right, guys. So I think that is all for this segment. So let's dive right into the market analysis. So we'll have two market analysis to give to you guys tonight, in which we're going to be revealing XAU USD. We're going to be revealing one other one, but let us review XAU USD and see what it has been doing in the past week and see where we're going to be making money from. Okay, and the one I'm going to be, so I'll allow you guys to suggest maybe one or two pairs that we're going to look into. Okay, so let's go, guys. Let's go. All right, I'm seeing you guys wonderful messages. You guys are fantastic. Emmanuel said your words are awakening, boss. Thank you. Master said on a daily basis they wake me up, you stir my spirits. Beautiful. So ensure you always VFS media status, because my status, if it doesn't push you to grow, say your case now, voila. If you find yourself in a position that whenever you view my status, you are moved, you want to do better, or you find yourself in a position like, wetin I dey use my life do? My status have not affected you like that. Like you're saying like, wetin I dey use my life do all this while? If you have not been in that position, say your own case was. But maybe, as I remember, I mentioned two categories. You be in the part where, wetin I use my life do? Or you are moved that you want to do more greater things. You understand? So those two categories, you must have find yourself in that place. So that is what I believe my status do. It pushes people beyond their limits to do something great for themselves, because we understand that the devil actually occupies this earth and he has negative energy surrounding everywhere. So that's why we have forces that hold people together to not achieve their goals. But those people who can follow the right path and break out of such darkness, they are going to reach limelight. All right, guys, let's go. I've not yet asked you guys to start suggesting, so I believe you guys can see what I'm doing. So ensure that as you're streaming with FX Media, ensure that you are streaming HD. Don't use managed data to stream, because everything will be blurred. Don't be say you go buy when you're supposed to sell. You go run, and if you see for one of our quotes, FX Media quotes created by me, you can see it up there. Forex no hard. Now you go buy when you're supposed to sell. Then this other one right here is not taking calculated risks It's risky. So those two, we have amazing ones, but I just frame this one to keep you guys motivated and as well keep myself motivated every time I enter into the office or anytime that my staffs enter into the office. They are motivated that they can do more and get better at what trading. All right, so let's review the first one. ASAP, come on, let's go. Woo! I really miss this YouTube live with you guys. All right. It gives me joy when I see people win. Wherever you are around the world, you're connected and you're raining down your testimony. It really gives me joy. Okay, so we have XAU USD. In case you are new to what we are doing, XAU is an abbreviation for gold. You can find some brokers, they call it gold spot. Okay, but it's still the same thing. XAU, I said abbreviation for gold. So gold/United States dollar. All right, so it's quite amazing that many people don't have real gold. It's not that recommended gold that you wear on your neck that maybe in one day don't wash, not be that gold. You're talking real gold. It's quite amazing that many people don't have real gold, but you can still benefit from gold if you're a forex trader. I think that's remarkable. Wahala for who no go trade forex markets. You don't need to have gold for you to make money off of gold. This is gold right here. This is what we have. I'm looking at you like this, and I'm going to show you how you're going to make money off of gold without having gold. So you withdraw your money in USD, and if you're in Nigeria, you can withdraw in Naira, whichever country that you are, you can withdraw in your currency. All right. So if you are new to trading as well, the terminology we're going to be using right now, if you don't understand, don't feel heartbroken. Like I said, what you just need to do is to enroll and learn the right way so that you can understand the terminologies that we're going to be using and analyzing the market. Many of you understand that one of our best strategy that FX Media use is what we call the top-down analysis, and it's one of the best strategy in the world. And I open it up for everybody. If not, I can hide it. All right, but I don't have an issue people using the way I analyze the markets to make money for themselves. After all, your profit does not affect my profit. My profit does not affect your profit. What flows in the market is $6.6 trillion, money which it did for everybody to tap into. All right. And for my personality, I'm supposed to do this as a paid YouTube live, but I'm doing it free of charge. Share the link everywhere: Instagram, YouTube, TikTok, WhatsApp, Telegram. Share, join, and let's make money together this week. All right. So on the XAU USD, we're currently on the daily time frame. Here, are you on YouTube? Let me see. All right, so on the daily time frame, so what we normally do is we go on the higher time frame to identify the trend of the market. Now, I've been monitoring gold while I was away, and I benefited from this massive spike on gold. Okay, so I've been monitoring gold. If you look very, very well, on a long run, gold has actually been in an uptrend. Okay, as you can see on a daily time frame. Okay, so it was formerly on a downtrend, and we have a reversal right here, a triple bottom. All right, so if we squeeze it as I did right here, you can actually see it like a W, which is a reversal W pattern. Okay, so and market took out this trend line. Market took out this trend line and break out of this level. All right, so that should let you know that right now I should be looking for opportunities to buy. Okay, so that is why we still have more. Forget all these sales, they always correct back. So as a trader, you need to map out zones and know where you are going to enter your trade for buy or enter your trade for what sell. Okay, so now based on what we have here, so we plot the necessary things that we need to plot together, the zones that are highly, very, very, very important. Okay, so we have our zones right here. Okay, so I'm going to, what else can we map out right here? So we have something, a temporal fall. Okay, a temporal fall. This is like a temporal fall on a higher time frame. Now, where is the highest point at which market got to? There is a spike, right? The highest point market got to. Okay, this is the highest point, and it got rejected by the sellers. They dragged the market down. Okay, so that is a very, very interesting point. I already mapped out this before, so I just clean everything so I can analyze everything in you guys' front. Okay, so that's the very, very important zone. Okay, very important zone for everyone to look at. So let's go to lower time frame. The next lower time frame is the 4 hours time frame. Okay, so you can see this. As a day trader, intraday trader, you analyze from daily, 4 hours, 1 hour, then get your entry from 15 minutes to 30 minutes, isn't it? Okay, so we have a temporal fall right here, and we had a breakout right here. So look at this, it rejected down to this breakout where we have the resistance turn to support, and then we have bullish candlestick that form right there. And what's up? Phew, market bought up to this level. Now you need to understand that there is a rule I gave to you guys that when you have markets rally up in a speed, there will definitely be a correspondence. Take that into your notes if you haven't. When you have market rally up, what do I mean? As you have market to rally up to this point, there will be a correction at some point. So what are you to do as a trader? You have to map out zones and know where this correction is going to take place. So you are looking out for rejection candles is added with chart patterns, reversal chart patterns that will show you a correction. Okay, all right. And inside those patterns can form a continuation pattern that, okay, through this your continuation pattern, you as well look at this things to know, okay, whether the correction is done. So maybe you can ride the buy. Okay, so but based on the way it is right now, based on analysis, we still have markets trying to approach this area of value. Okay, if you have market is still likely going to get here, except there is a news or except market makers make it to start reversing. But you as the expert, as a forex trader, what you need to do is to observe, pay close attention to this right here. In as much you are on an uptrend, okay, an uptrend, and we see markets rallying up and it wants to get to this place. For me, I'm going to be considering my sell entry when market gets to this area of value. So let me quickly box it right there. So I will look at that for an entry. But in a situation whereby market doesn't get to this place and it starts forming some amazing candlestick and chart patterns, I'll get to know if market is actually going to eventually get here. Because right now, based on the way it is, from this close of candlestick right here to this top is a resistance. Take note of that. From this close of candlestick right here, where the mouse is, the finger mouse is, this close of candlestick, from here to this top is a resistance. Let me show you what I mean. Like this. This is what it simply means. So what am I trying to say? Inside this resistance zone, market is likely going to reject at any point in time. So that's why you got to be careful and know when to enter for yourself. That is be an expert trader. But if you are not an expert trader, since the trend is an uptrend, what you should just do is to look for opportunities to buy. Okay, but a professional trader, he buys and he knows when to buy in a downtrend, he knows when to sell in an uptrend. Okay, so but I'm only telling you right now as a professional trader that okay, this is where my interest is. If markets gets to this place, I'm going to sell. Now what we have right here, we have a big resistance, so meaning that market is likely going to reject from any points in time. So what I would advise him to see what will become of the market, you just wait, take a chill pill, allow the market to come to you. So let's go to 1 hour and see what's happening there. Based on the fact I've looked into the market before, so I already know what's going to happen right there. So I'm only asking it with you. So on the 1 hour time frame, so from your 4 hours time frame, I've already seen everything from your 1 hour time frame. Okay. So it still says the same thing. All right. So that's my any other setup that comes in for XAUSD, I'll follow up on gold and I'll share with the community. and I said share with the funded traders. But this was going to happen. I won't share with the community. I will share it with the funded traders. So if I were you, I would run with speed, with immediate alacrity, and get an account to be part of that group. So I'm going to call a trade on gold when you have a confirmed entry, and we're going to make money. Okay. So that is it on XAU USD. So the second pair that we're going to look into is a USDJPY. Okay. I hope you guys are following what we are doing right here. Okay, someone says zoom closer. All right, so I made it smaller, I made it bigger, so but you can understand what I'm actually doing. So we move straight to USD JPY, and we're going to pick one or two pairs for suggestions from you guys. Okay, so let's go to USD JPY. All right, so let's go to the higher time frame and see what USDJPY has been doing. All right, so this is on the 4 hours time frame. We go to all right. Day one. Day one, we identify the trend and look out for where we put our zone. So USDJPY has been on a serious buy since wow, it's been on a serious buy since 2021. But basically 2022 has been on a serious buy. 2021, 2022. That's super amazing. Just imagine that in 2021 you long USDJPY. If you don't, depending on the lot size you use and the account size, if you don't buy G-Wagon by yourself, like longing, you are like you've been buying USDJPY since last 2 years. That's super amazing. So what FS Media is building you guys to is becoming, a very badass trader, a swing trader, amazing trader. Okay, so it has been on an uptrend. So as day traders, we look out for temporal trends and see how we can trade in direction of that trend, so we can benefit from the movement of the market in that day. All right. So on the 4 hour, I remember the rule I gave to you guys that says what markets always react when you have all the markets aligning in your area of value. Like every time frames are aligning in your area of value. Like right now, as you can see, USDJPY. So you have the 4 hours, 1 hour, they are in line with resistance. Okay, just look at what I'm telling you. And when they are in line, it falls like crazy, like huge crazy, this guy would say that's crazy, baby. What's that his name again? Hey, the Google of Lagos. Abi. All right, so that's crazy. So you have the first touch right here, then the second touch, market trying to break out, third touch. What happens? It fell crazily on the 4 hours. It fell crazily. Now market gather momentum to come back to that place, and it's giving like a fourth touch. So when you have the reversals right here, market is likely going to dump massively, and most likely gets to this zone. Okay, so USDJPY is on the long run. So let's go to a lower time frame and see what we have there. Let's go to 1 hour, see what's happening right there. Okay, this is a 1 hour. Okay, the market has been ranging on the 1 hour consistently, up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down. So in this case, we have even your resistance has a resistance. So you can see a bigger resistance, and we have an inside resistance. Okay, so that's what I say. Even your bull, you get Ibu. All right, so even a resistance has a resistance inside the resistance. Nobody to do with that. All right, so we have a support zone right here. So basically, what we are looking at right here is on daily is ranging daily inside a resistance, a major resistance. So what do we do as forex traders? We look at time frames and see what we can do. So let's go to 30 minutes time frame and see what we have there, what we can plot, and where we can choke our edge. You get and make money. The goal is to do what? Make money. That's important. Okay. We have our 30 minutes time frame. So what's going on in your 30 minutes time frame? Okay, so we have 2 rejections right here, an M pattern that rejected from the inner resistance, dropped to this point. What point is that? It dropped from this neckline. It dropped from this neckline, rejected, bounce up to this place. Now it's approaching this place right here. Okay, so now we have a resistance that has a resistance inside resistance, just like even your bull, you get the bull. Okay, so what are we looking out for? Where I'm looking out for entry is in this area. I'm looking out for a sell entry. Why am I looking out for a sell entry? Look at this. 2 reasons why I'm looking out for sell entry, even if you are in an uptrend. Firstly, we have all the markets aligning in a major resistance, which is this big one that we have. Then, secondly, we have a resistance inside a resistance. Nobody to do with that. Inside a resistance. So that tells you that right now we are looking for opportunities to sell. So we are waiting for market to come to us, to come to our scale up to this place. So inside here is our sell zone. Once we have market coming through this place, what do? We wait for rejection candlestick as well as chart patterns to correspond, and then we take our trade in 15 minutes or 30 minutes time frame. So based on USDJPY, I am looking out for USDJPY to sell. Now remember that it's not my father that owns the forex market. Okay, nobody owns the forex market. So my own job is to speculate and see where market is going to go towards. You understand? So, but if market doesn't go in for us, that's why we apply proper risk management and use our stop loss. So based on what I analyze right here, it does not give you 100% that to sell, but at least it gives a 70%. But if it retraces now, the thing that can influence markets to go against you when you're a profitable trader is just 2 things. 1, market manipulation. 2, news. Now you could have a fundamental that comes in that will dump the USDJPY. Sorry, that could give strength to USDJPY. That will make it go up or break out of the 2 resistance zone that we have. Okay, and based on technicals I'm giving you right here, with what we see are technicals, should have market sell, but we wait for our final confirmation. So we are having an I on XAUUSD and I also on USDJPY. Okay, so that is what I actually have about. That's what we're looking into. Why our XAUUSD have been following it up since last week, waiting for where I'm going to take my trade. I mean last weekend. Okay, because market just opened today. Okay, and one thing I tell people is that on a Monday, you don't need to trade too much on a Monday, because Monday markets use it to gather itself, you know, get itself ready. You understand that? You understand that situation whereby you wake up from sleep, you know, you stretch, you know, yawn, you have to brush your teeth and those things. So then before you now get yourself. So that's what Monday markets usually do, you know. They take time to adjust themselves before then Tuesday start to fire the trade. Then by Friday it start to wrap up to go on a vacation. So that's those people that have been trading financial market will understand what I'm saying. Those ones that have gone deeper, not the ones that are playing trading the financial market like they are playing sporty bets. Okay, let's see the suggestions you guys have. I'm just going to look into one, then we can go. So you don't need to look into too many pairs, so we'll not be confused. So you can look into three. I've given you guys two. Then we'll take one more from you guys that appears the most. Austin said, can I place my market for like 2 days or more? Sure. Depends on what you analyze in the Forex market. Okay. This analysis go to favor people will get laptop. You can use your phone, turn it to slant mode. If you're a trader that does not have a laptop, you can start with trading with your phone, then ensure you work towards getting a laptop. Okay. But you don't have to wait to get a laptop before you start trading. No. After all, I even trade most time with my phone. Trust me, I trade most time with my phone than my system. Okay. So we have GBPUSD. Which one appears the most? Okay, I think GBPUSD don't win. So let's look into GBPUSD and we'll call it a day. GBPUSD does not have a setup. A good setup, I skip. If you have a good setup, fine. So normal top down analysis will go to higher time frame. Trading is a journey, something that you got to get better at and keep getting better. With this GBPUSD, don't call analysis. Don't call analysis where so they don't tire me. Make I clear drawing so I can see clearly what's going on right here. Okay, so we have this on a daily time frame. Okay, major trend line. Okay, bounce off, W bounce off on the daily time frame. Okay, and we have this right here. So you should be looking for buying opportunities, more buy opportunities. So let's see. Now, the way GBP US have been moving, it's been ranging. That's why I get it tiny, so that I can see what I'm doing. So you can see the direction of the market. Okay, so we plot what we can plot right here. So this is a very important zone where market rejected from and bounce off, rejected from the trend line up to this point. Okay. Okay, so we have this. All right, so what else can we plot in this zone? So the reason why there was a rejection, multiple rejection, is as a result of this place. Market tried to break out of this level, but it didn't break out. Now, anything that makes market to break out of this level, this resistance level, trust me, the next point is here. I'm not going to clean this GBPUSD so that by the time it gets there, we won't while we are still doing our market review. So this is the next point. If market breaks this resistance, this is the next point market will get to for buy. And from there, the next point for it to get to is right here. next level. Okay, so if it takes out this, so as day traders that looks for opportunity to benefit from the market. So let's see what we can actually do. Okay. We have a level that broke out, first broke out, rejected, came here, rejected. So this is like a first broke out, man. First broke out, breakout. The first one, clearly the first one. Did this, dribble people, come here, dribble, not dribble, straight dribble. So let's go down. All right. So we have this right here. Now for GBPUSD, I don't see an entry in GBPUSD because the way it's ranging, the way GBPUSD is ranging, it can dribble, you can make profit today only for it to lose it tomorrow. The way the market is moving is clearly not sweet. So we have a zone right here. And this is on the 1 hour. Okay. All right. So we have rejections right here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Then when market came here for rejection, okay, I can see something. Okay, so we have a breakout from here. We have a breakout from this zone that created a new high. All right. We have a small trend line. Okay, then we have rejection candlesticks right here. 2 rejection. So we have a spinning top from your resistance zone, spinning top. Then we have this candle that looks like hammer. Okay, but looking at it very well, this should let you know that this is a bearish engulfing because this body engulfed the body of this, and you can see more rejections coming down right here. Okay, so basically as a day trader, I'm going to be looking out for a selling opportunity, but let's go to 30 minutes and see what's there. Let's see what's happening in the 30 minutes. Okay, go to 15 minutes. Okay, the 15 minutes time frame. This is what we have. Okay, all right. So an aggressive trader can start selling from here. I'm not aggressive except I want to be aggressive. But right now, I ain't aggressive. So what I expect market to do is to come back to this zone, give another rejection, and drop. So that is what I actually see. Okay. That is what I see in this place. Okay, so the first level when it starts rejecting could be year 1, then TP2. Okay, let me map it down. We have TP1. We already have TP2. We have TP3. And the final one is TP4, which is the so. This is a good market to look into, but based on the part where it is. But note, you are a trader, you observe where and how you take your trade. As an experienced trader, you don't expect markets to be dropping like this. No. Then trader, you should know that most likely market will come back to this one, reject and fall backward. So that's what's going to happen most likely. And it could break out. Okay, don't forget that aspect. That it could break out. So when it breaks out, what do we do? I have told you guys that okay, we have this level. So if market break out from here, the next level will be, okay, let me use my pen to do that. So if you have a breakout, you have a test, the next level is this level. Okay, so but for now what we're going to do is wait. So we have 3 on our watch list. So I have it right now, 3 on watch list: XAU USD, USDJPY, and GBPUSD. So that is okay to follow up for this week and into next week. So remember, as I said, if you're a newbie trader, you're allowed to explore other forex markets, but as you get better at trading and getting more knowledge in trading, you need to start reducing the number of pairs you look into. Okay, you need to reduce them. In as much they look alike, all of them look alike in charts, does not mean they are the same. They have their uniqueness. They have the way they behave. Okay, they have the way they behave. For me, I don't really trade USD, but not my friend. It shocked my money wherever, so I left it. I don't trade often. I don't leave it totally, but I don't trade it so often. I don't get freaked when I see a signal on USD, you understand? But I trade GBPUSD sometimes. But you guys know me, I'm a lover of JPY pairs. JPY pairs will give me more of my money. Okay, if you check my trading history now, JPY and I'm for there. You get, but it may not be the same for you. You have Jeffrey Benson that is the only trade 1 pair, which is GBPUSD, and the second one I just added is US30. That one is once in a blue moon. But GBPUSD is what he trades most. So you have to discover the kind of trader that you are. Okay, so but one advice is you don't need to trade all currency pair. You will get lost. Trust me, you will never make profitable withdrawals. I always hammer on profitable withdrawals because inside your trading, you can make money today, lose it tomorrow. At the end of the day, you will not see any withdrawal to make. So everybody can make profits, can make losses. But what makes you a good trader is at the end of the trading week or month, do you make a profitable withdrawal? Now withdraw profitable withdrawals and be forex trader. Maybe the one with the withdraw blown account. Maybe if $100 or if $1,000, and at the end of the month the account have dropped to $500, then he withdraw the $500 and post on his WhatsApp chat to say Forex just paid me $500. Hey, Jesus is Lord. And you go come the fear. You go come they say God when. You know say the withdraw blown account. If you're in that category, repent. Repent from that category where you post blown account. Repent and start making good withdrawals, okay? And not stop posting blown account and say you made a profitable withdrawals. Okay, so everybody want at their own pace, but also remember that don't be ignorant and don't procrastinate. Take charge of every opportunity that you use that is open to you. Bamiduo said, boss, I love synthetic that currency pair. It's good or I need to change it. If you learn Forex the right way, if you learn Forex the right way, you should trade currency pair and synthetic indices. I am a synthetic indices trader as well. Those of you that are looking up to, you want to learn synthetic from FS, they have trained a lot of people on synthetic and they are doing very well. I think the guy that even bought fridge is through synthetic itself. One of them. So different people from currency, from synthetic. But I always say that if you're a newbie trader, don't start with synthetic indices. That was the mistake I made. Synthetic is for traders who have learned the forex market the right way. Okay, that's what synthetic indices is for. But if you're a newbie coming into the market and you started out with synthetic, you go window when boom your money and crash your money. Many of you know boom and crash. Your eyes go clear. I started out with boom and crash. No shake away when I want talk I never see for this life inside this trading industry. I started with boom and crash as a newbie trader. I don't even know say I'm not supposed to start from there. Nobody do that. It's just like a newborn baby starting from SS3 and they are teaching him calculus and he says he's ready to write exam for that mass exam. Well, I go do now. You understand? Okay. So let's do things the right way and we see results. So we don't need to start spending valuable time on things that are not valuable, that are not needed at that point in time. Okay, so I think that will be all for tonight's class. If you have questions, drop your questions. I'll take 1 or 2 questions and we're done. I won't go chop, I won't go the cash. From there, I'll go and sleep. So are we looking for buy or sell XAUSD? Sell, guys, sell. We're looking out for sell. Okay. What other question am I saying? The person said this is why I sold GBP. Okay. We have suggestion of GBPUSD. Yeah, that's really. I already took GBPUSD. There's no time to do that. Okay. Which other question do we have right here? Testimony, my guy. This one no dey miss class. I too like this guy. You know they miss any life. She's always dey there. Say your money go boom and then crash, and they tell you a lie. And you lie to lie. It go boom and it go crash. If you are new to trading, you enter synthetic, you collect woto. I'm telling you reality of life. If you survive synthetic as a newbie trader, don't say you get mind like me. I get mind very well. So you know say you get mind. But I'm telling you that the right path to go, so you not learn wrongly. Can I register the funded account myself? Sure. Glowing Live TV, yes. Find one of our YouTube video under it. You see FS Media link there, register, or go to our website www.fsmediatrade.com. Scroll down to 10 trade. You see join another 10 trade. Then you click on it and register. Use our promo code FS Media 28 in small letter. Okay. Then you can fund your account. If you don't know how to fund your account, there's a video I made on our YouTube channel how to deposit and withdraw. So you need to do that, watch it and deposit. Then get an account, send me a message. Peter dey here too. Peter the bad guy. Peter picked the 7th winner for the giveaway. Those of you that are present in the giveaway, the $3,000 giveaway on Instagram last week, is the one that picked the 7th winner, and the 7th winner actually deserves it. So you can see that the spirit is the one accountants. Okay, Peter is here. He's the one that I've always told you guys that bought a 3.5 million naira car, and you see they attend classes today. Can you imagine making money but see the no knowledge the way is waste? I told you whether you graduate or not, your FS Media, you're under the umbrella. So you benefit from more information, more growth. It's been progressive. Okay, from glory to glory. Okay, boss, how many percent do you advise a trader who is making plan for monthly profit and withdrawal to get? All right, so any kind of account you're using, a reasonable account you're using, you should target 10 to 30% monthly, 10 to 30% monthly. But let's say 5 to 30%, depends on your trading style. Some traders are aggressive, they can flip their account 3 times or twice. You need to discover the kind of trader that you are. But the best way to go about trading is to be a conservative trader. Target 5% to like 30%. Not so bad, it's fair. Okay, so now who they withdraw profitable withdrawal, and be Forex trader. All right, but how can we trade? How can we trade a rent $10? No, they ask me this kind of question. Which one be $10? I know they like that kind of question. Try be $10. You know what make money in the way you want trade with $10. Demand and supply. I made $189 last week. Super amazing. And I just taught this topic in the class, I think last week, the demand and supply. And that's super amazing. Just made that is close to like a 300K, if not 250,000 naira. Isn't that amazing? See testimonies, live and direct. Life. Okay, Ifeanyi is here. If Ifeanyi is the one that won that service, the 7th guy that won the giveaway, that's amazing. Okay. Boss, please, I would like to be part of the mentorship and I get a funded account attention. How do I go about it? Send FS Media a message right now on Instagram or on WhatsApp. Okay, send FS Media a message. So if you're looking for me on Instagram, it's David Umoye 28. David Umoye 28. So that 28, if you're wondering what it simply means, it's actually the day of my birthday, 28th July. So keep it in mind and then plan for that day. So those of you that have a lot of things to give FS Media, start planning for them. 25th of July. Okay, so that is why there's 28 with promo code 28 in accounts, Instagram account 28, FX Media 28, and so on. Okay, boss, do you advise I go for 1K funded account, 3K evaluation? I need your advice. It depends on you. Well, if you just want to start making money straight, you can use a 1K account. If you want to be patient to pass an evaluation and get funded, because the higher your account, the higher your chances of making profits, and also your reach too. So it's your choice. If you want to start making instant money, you can start using your 1K dollars. But if you are scared that you may not pass your evaluation, still use your buy your $1,000 account straight up. But if it's sure for you, say go pass your evaluation, do it. But if you are not on that level, see at this point in time, I before the end of this year, from now to July, I don't expect anybody to be trading $1,000 account or $3,000. Just have it in front of your mind. You are growing. You should be growing. So from now to July, you should be having people that are trading nothing less than $10,000 instant funded accounts. That is what you should be trading. Look at it. Look towards that. Fine. I gave you an opportunity of funding a $1,000 instant funded account. Fine. For you to grow, isn't it? But don't stay in that place. Grow out of it. Everyone connected right here. I know people that are trading, that person that are trading $30,000 account already right here. So I'm just saying, well, if you are below $10,000, aspire to get to that $10,000 instant funded account or evaluation account. Okay. All right. So which other question? Sir, please, how can we take the one? You need to learn Forex. So this question they ask a newbie question. On my video don't finish now. They ask question. All right. So I think that's all for now. At Boss Ayelo, what trend can we do this? What trend can we do this analysis on the screen? Mr. Touch, your question is not in line. It's not straight. It's not straight. You need to learn Forex right too, because if you actually know Forex, the question will be straight. The question is not so straight. All right, guys. I think that will be all. I believe you guys got value tonight, and you enjoyed the live session, and you're ready to make money for this week. Okay, and you're stirred up in your spirit, and this month you want to make a difference. If you're here and if you're here and you're just going to go back to sleep and that's it, you need to wake up. What do I mean? What you've received today, you need to start acting on those things you've received today. Start acting on them so that you self can have your own signal, have your own money to yourself. Grow good things. Okay. Promise is here too as well. Wow, thank you so much. Okay, so we have a lot of people connected to this call. You guys are magnificent. All right. So, like I said, spam me with your results, your profitable withdrawals. Spam me them, okay? Spam me. Don't spam me. If you spam me rubbish, I'll block you straight. Spam me with your profitable withdrawals. Spam me with your testimony. Maybe you paid your school fees, or probably you travel out of Canada to to have 1 or 2 vacation, or maybe you traveled by private jets. Spam me with your forex encounters, your Forex profits, achievements, just do that. So, look into that aspect of growth. Okay. Okay. So till we meet again, guys. All right. So those of you that are still under mentorship, fine. We have our classes. Those of you that look forward to being part of mentorship, we send a message. If you are here and you have not followed FX Media, subscribe to our YouTube channel, like, share. If you love FX Media, you invite people to follow our channel. Let's take the channel to 3K, and by the end of this year, let's get to 200,000 subscribers. Guys, isn't it possible? Indicate in the chat section, isn't it possible for FX Media YouTube channel to get to 200,000? 200,000? Isn't it possible? It is possible. Okay. So you can make it happen. God can make it happen. I can make it happen. Okay, we'll work together and make it happen. So remember that all these things that you're getting, you didn't pay to have such information communicated right now, and it doesn't cost much to recommend FS Media to other persons, or post on your status, or give FS Media a subscribe, but click the subscribe button or follow, or you understand, increase our social media base, and invite your friends, tell them about the good news that FS Media is carrying, the financial good news that FS Media is carrying. Okay. All right, guys, can't wait to see you guys win, keep winning. People are winning already right here, and there's no harm in winning. Money not the rich person. So you always look out for making more money for yourself. Okay, you can always make this recorded session available this live stream, I'll make it available on YouTube channel. You can always go back to watch it to enlighten yourself more. And if you know someone that missed the live stream, call the person to share the link with the person. Once it's been posted, you can copy the link, post on your status, take a screenshot, engage. Trust me, once you follow FS Media wholeheartedly, grace will touch you. I've told you, whether indirectly or directly, it's not a must that it's giveaway. It can be that in your trading you get better and you start making money. That's grace. That's amazing grace. After all, we have 10% losers and 90%, sorry, 10% winners and 90% losers. So you can see, for you to be on the 10%, it takes a lot of work and as well grace. Okay, so guys, let's do this, and we definitely see the results, the positive results that we've been aspiring for. And most of all, you have to live above the system of this world. All right, guys, till we meet again in the next live session on YouTube. Bye. Have a lovely night rest.